Hmm. How are you, Balika, both of you?
So,
A triangular pyramid is called fill up.
triangular pyramid. Sir, tetrahedron.
Tetrahedron, how many vertices? Hmm.
Sir, tetrahedron. Sir, 9.
9 vertices. Sure. Completely wrong, bachcha. Tetrahedron, 4 vertices. Triangular prism, how many edges?
Triangular prism.
How many edges?
7.
Rectangular pyramid. Hmm.
Rectangular pyramid. Edges.
Hi Sumit, how are you, my dear?
Sir, 12 edges.
12 edges. Once we talk about cuboid, how many faces?
Sir,
What, sir? Volume of cuboid?
sir, L into breathe into height.
Difference between square pyramidal and rectangular pyramidal.
Sir, in rectangular pyramid it has 3 side rectangle, and square pyramid it has base square.
Stand up. If you again you are eating nail, okay? So I am giving you, my dear, slap. Okay? So be very careful. These kind of habits, beta, in our nails there is a, my dear, vitreous chemical. जोर से बोलो, vitreous chemical. नेक्स्ट ईयर हम पढ़ने वाले हैं 9th क्लास में, साइंस में एक चैप्टर है जिसमें ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स को अच्छे से जस्टिफाई किया गया है. समझ रहे हो? हाय एवरीवन, हाय, हाउ आर यू? My intention is clear cut. I am saying because of scientific reason, okay? Gettings? Why are you keeping smiling, bacha? Are you mad, I think? Cube. What do you mean by cube?
Cube is a 3D figure of square.
I am perfectly alright, as you can see over here right now. I'm taking the class. And beta, what do you mean by edges in cube?
Edges.
Hmm.
Sir, 12 edges.
Pyramid, how many edges? Your what is, how was your channel is running? How is channel is running? हाँ जी. हाँ बेटा. Pyramid vertices.
Sir, 5.
I didn't understand Tamil language. Tetrahedron. How many faces, bacha party? Tetrahedron.
Sir, 4.
Sure. Sure. Vertices.
Vertices. 5.
Understand you didn't, my dear, recall. And the base of the recall, if you had go through all the, my dear, topics carefully, so you are able to respond the answer. Once again, go through, bacha.
Sir,
No, this is your punished. I am from Bhopal. I am from Bhopal. Bacha party. We are moving. Today is a science turn, I think.
yes, sir.
Oh, science turn. Where is the science book? I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. It is a capital of MP. Where are you laughing, bacha?
Nothing, sir.
Hmm. What country? Singapore. 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 Of course, it is a, my dear. It is a part of India. It is a heart of India, beta. Oh, sorry, my dear, my dear friends. You are studying or you are working somewhere right now? You are working somewhere. Nature of matter, elements, compounds. Okay, right now I'm taking the class, so I am never answer of any comments. Okay, the important comments I am responded. Huh, beta, uh, go through once. Go through. What do you? How many vertices, my dear, in the pyramid?
Vertices 5. Sir, which pyramid?
Square pyramid.
Sir, 5.
Hmm. Very. This is a wonderful, fantastic chapter. The name is what? Elements, compounds, and mixtures. And these is the nature of matter, elements, and compounds and mixtures. Do you hear these terms? Elements, compounds.
Compounds and elements.
Okay. So what in your brain once you are listen these words? So which kind of knowledge you have, my dear, of elements? Which kind
Sir,
of knowledge, jankari you have?
iron, gold, silver. These are the elements.
Oh my dear Balika. I am a teacher. You are a teacher right now. I am not a sorry. I am a teacher right now. Okay. Which kind of I am like a teacher. Yes, yes, I am a teacher. So listen. Dream,
Dream,
believe,
believe,
achieve.
achieve.
Today is
I
I am the
best.
I can
Do it.
never.
Give up.
God is always
With me.
no pain.
No gain.
I am ready for.
Accepting the challenges.
I am
Limitless purpose.
association to a.
Good people.
I am
I am
limitless person.
limitless person.
I am birthing
I was born
for
for
creating
creating
milestone.
milestone.
Okay. Yesterday I'm giving some information regarding to Deepavali. UNESCO mentioned in their book Deepavali is a global festival. Hmm? It's a very big deal. Mhm. Nature of matter. What do you mean by nature of matter? हाँ जी बेटा, respond
Sir,
it.
solid, liquid, gas.
Hmm.
These are nature of.
All the things, my dear guys, in our surroundings, in our atmosphere, in our circles, they all are made up from the, my dear, matters.
The
Okay.
smallest unit of a substance which makes up the whole
Ha,
substance.
the smallest units of any material, it is called
Matter.
matter. But once we are discussing in the, I had seen in the previous chapter, you can also seen, the small unit is called.
Um, I know about it. Constituent
Oh
particles.
my God,
Sir,
constituent
no,
particles.
sir. Yes. Sir, basic unit.
Basic unit. What a memory. ठीक है. If I more appreciate, so they are forgetting in the next class. Okay, because they are a Manvi from Vidisha. Manvi. Okay. मास्क किसके लिए भाई भाई?
Atoms, atoms.
Atoms. Basic unit of each matter.
Is called atom.
हाँ, basic unit of all kinds of object. Because it is a more cold, and I love to wearing a mask, my dear friends. I am for Odia. So देखिए बेटा, एलिमेंट्स, इस चैप्टर में हमें तीन चीजों पर, इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर डिस्कसिंग थ्री थिंग्स माय डियर इन वेरी जस्टिफिकेशन. पहली चीज, द नेम इज व्हाट, तत्वों के बारे में हम जानकारी लेंगे. एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं, अभी तुम्हें थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा, लाइक हमारी वी आर आवर बॉडी आर मेड अप ऑफ फाइव एलिमेंट्स, फायर, एयर, and so on. Understand? And so we are understand, my dear, these, my dear, in very, we can say, elaborate way. We can say, in my dear, in the detailed explanation you getting, my dear, in this chapter. Element, mixture. So first we are discussing what, क्या गधे ये? ओहो. So, sir, are you married or unmarried? I am unmarried, my dear. Which kind of student है यार, बच्चा पार्टी? देखिए बेटा, matter. So, the first heading we are discussing what? Mixture. What is what? Mixture. Once you are hear this term, my dear, mixture. So, which kind of concept, which kind of thinking, thought process are coming, my dear, in your brain?
Sir,
Mixture. Do you know mixture? So once you are hear this term, so by which kind of thought process come beta? Both of you. हाँ.
sir, the two substance which mix together.
हाँ. Two substances which mix together. For example. हाँ. It is. I know this is a very beautiful example in it, my dear, in the textbook. Yes. Poha.
Ginger, garlic.
Ginger garlic. Okay. Once we talk about, uh, and mixture like, namkeen. Okay. Namkeen is सेव mixture of, my dear, all different kind of snacks. Yes or no बच्चा? ये आपके पेन बार बार यहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं? सीधे रखो पेन को. वो ऐसे कर रही पेन को. ई. Which kind of? Okay बेटा. Which kind of students you are, बेटा, both of you? Sometimes eating nails. Sometimes she is eating pain. Sometimes they, which kind of student? Okay. Hey, maintain a distance, otherwise they took your hands and attend it. Subscribe our channel. Okay, subscribe our channel. So बच्चा देखो, listen, I am, you can also relate with me, my dear friends. my dear students. The main thing is what mixture. Mixture means it is a combination. These are okay. Look at these one, my dear. Concrete. It is a mixture of cement and sand. Yes or no? It is also example of mixture. It is also example of mixture.
Manure and fertilizer.
Manure and fertilizer. And what? Soil. NCRT. This is an NCRT. NCRT prefer sprout salad is the best example of element mixture. Yes or no? Sprout. Do you know about sprouts, but bacha? Are you crying? So bacha, one, two or more substances are mixed. It is called mixture. And you already read this chapter, I think, na? No, 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 no. See, my dear friends, the main thing is what? The do you know about, my dear, steel utensils, steel vessels? So it is also the example of mixture, beta. Steel is also made up from iron plus carbon. It is an alloy. To alloy is it is an example of mixture. Okay, it is an alloy. It is a material which are made up from the two different constituent substance, metal and non-metal. Iron is metal, and we can say kya? It is a true. Carbon is a non-metal. It is gas.
Yes.
Yes or no? So some parts of, my dear, some quantity of iron, some quantity of carbon, some quantity also oxygen. These three, iron, oxygen and carbon, these makes, my dear, these three substance max made, my dear, alloy. The name is what? Steel. Disconnect. Okay. Second, brass, kasa. These are also made up from the two such materials. As such, the first is metal and non-metal. Okay, bacha. Iron plus tin. Iron plus tin. Are subscribe our channel first. Which kind of student?
Sir, iron plus zinc.
Iron plus
Iron, copper plus zinc.
copper plus
Zinc. Brass.
brass. Copper plus zinc it gives brass. Gives brass. The main thing, I am already told you, whatever is your name, I am a unmarried. Okay, I am unmarried. See, beta. See. तो मिक्सचर को if you are deeply analyzed from, my dear, so mixture is, my dear, is nothing. Mixture is what? The two different substances mixed together, it is called mixture. Mixture which we are, my dear, in the form of, my dear, FMCG, in the form of foods we are taking. If we moving, my dear, in the another aspect, like if we talks about the such material, such items which we are using for the, my dear, utensil point of view, which we are using, my dear, in the automobile sector. Automobile, the car body. We talks about the fighter jet body. We talks about in defense sector. So mixture and alloy are the same thing. Okay, but mixture, my dear, in initially we talks about mixture. So as general, the mixture is what? Okay, sprouts and poha. Okay, but you never said someone. Uh, Today we are discussing, guys, what is mixture. stand up. So Manvi, मैं पोहा. Okay, understand? Not like that. Okay, so you respond. So it is also given in the book. Mixture of a substance in everyday like sugar, water is also a mixture of soaps of the getting beta. The mixture best example is what and superior for you जो आप लोगों के superior है. That is what alloy. क्या बोलना है आपको? alloy बोलना है. ये जनरल इट इज अ माय डियर फॉर एग्जांपल दूसरे चार माय डियर बिगिनर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स उनके लिए है पोहा स्प्राउट्स मिक्स दालें गेटिंग्स ना माय डियर फूड में सभी आ गया एवरीथिंग तो वी टॉक्स अबाउट alloys. The main thing is what the alloy we are using in the different sectors. Bolo alloy we are using in secondary sectors, primary sectors, and commercial sector. Okay. Do you know about, my dear children? Once we talks about the floor gallery pipe, which whenever floor gallery pipe, whenever which we are putting our hands for supporting, my dear children. Okay, rake जिससे हम जीने में पकड़ के चलते हैं. These pipe are also made up from the alloy steel. Railways, we talks about railway station, my dear. Outfits, railway station, what? Railway station, my dear, floors, railway station, top surfaces. Okay, railway station. Once you look at the railway station, so railway station, the all over layout are made up from the, my dear, alloys. Some maybe some kinds of pillars are also made up from the iron, but most of the using is what? Alloy. तो हम अलग अलग सेक्टर में alloy का यूज करते हैं. किसको यूज करते हैं? alloy का. What is alloy? Well, it is a constituent particles made up from ऐसे करो ऐसे metal, non metal. It is a constituent particles metal and non metal. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? It is a very simple definition, my dear. Nobody teaches me like that. Nobody teaches me to teaches you like me. Okay? Today I'm eating banana. That's why my tongue are my drifting. Okay. चलिए बेटा, we are moving forward. Okay. हाँ तो बेटा there is a very good example. We talks about what? Watch. तो बेटा the watch material. Okay, we talks about what? This is a iron, this is a steel. Figure out. You have a magnet. Thinking about it, my dear. Analyze it. This is an iron, this is an iron. Sure. अबे मेरे बच्चे.
Sir, if it is iron, so it will.
हाँ, it is a corrode. Okay, बेटा. Manvi, never visualize it, my dear. Visualize with, my dear. Visualize with. No. Visualize with. Visualize with brain, beta. Getting? All right. So it is what better from? Alloy, okay?
Plastic.
Abey, these one beta. Getting?
It is looking like plastic.
No, it is not a plastic beta. It is a steel. Okay. Right now I'm taking the class, so whatever you're trying to say, it is not possible. Okay. So, Bacha Party, our scientific heritage. Mishro Loha was the name of the mixture. Two more metals that are very distant. It is a charak also. Arey, it is a very important fact, madam. Please mention your textbook, beta, text copy. It is an amazing fact.
Sir, no. That will.
Hmm. Thank you so much. I am coming. I will also take live session 11 p.m. regularly for time management skills and all the things I am covering. Okay, so my dear friends, attend the session 11 p.m. Okay, regularly. 11 p.m. we will meet. Okay, we will meet 11 p.m. Definitely. So, my dear friends, my dear Balikaon, Mishra Loha. Oh God. So, do you know, my dear, who is the father of surgery? Maharshi Kannad. It is the father of atoms.
Shushrut.
Shushrut is the father of surgery. Understand? The first alloy are made up from, my dear, our Indian origin. The name of the scientist is what? The name of the scientist is what? Uh, Ras Ratna Samuchaya Rasa Jala Nidhi, etc. Indian texts such as Charak Samhita, Susru Samhita, the reference of these information. Okay, better mention it. Mishra Loha. Mishra Loha. You are properly from? हाँ बच्चा. बे मिश्र मिश्र
Mishra.
मिश्र लोहा. Mishra Loha. Getting? Was the name given to the mixture of?
Was the name.
Was the name given to the mixture of?
To the Nakshara.
To the mixture of two or more metals
To and one.
What happened? Mishra Loha was the name given to the mixture of two or more metals. Why, yaar? My dear, I am really amazed. The reason behind the our what our ancestor, our Rishi Parampara, our whatever the researchers call Rishi. Anjali, who is Rishi? Rishi, it is a name not for the given in the our scriptures. Rishi means researchers. Okay. Do you know about Rig Veda? Rig Veda, Samaveda, Harveda, Yajurveda. Four Vedas.
Yes, I know.
Atharva Veda, it is dedicated for uh, Ayurveda. Hmm? In this book, the mostly इन चैप्टर्स में वॉल्यूम्स होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? जोर से बोलो. वॉल्यूम्स होते हैं. इंग्लिश में वॉल्यूम्स बोलते हैं. हिंदी में अध्याय बोलते हैं. पता है आपको? गीता में अध्याय सुना होगा ना. अध्याय होते हैं लाइक So the name of the researcher, the name is Patanjali, Maharshi Patanjali. Do you know about the Maharshi Patanjali? It is a very, we can say, very sharp scientist, or obviously it is a sharp, my dear. Researcher, researcher, plus they are a big contribution towards the, my dear, medical field, medical sector. They research, my dear, different kinds of jadi booty, like we talks about chavan prash, we talks about the different kinds of things, my dear. Antibiotics. Firstly, antibiotic is not introduced by the foreigner. The name of the antibiotics were developed by, will be developed by, was developed by, hmm hmm हाँ बच्चा, पेन फाइटिंग, हाँ बेटा, रिस्पॉन्ड इट. hmm
I learned about it.
the main thing is what, the main thing, uh, Maharshi Patanjali, it is a scientist, my dear. It is a modern scientist also, because they know, they figure out in future which kind of diseases are uh, influencing, which kind of diseases are spreading, my dear, in the world level, global level. They already mentioned the COVID-19, my dear, in their book. The name is Patanjali Sanghita. These kind of diseases are introduced. So why Indians are very late for developing the vaccine? It is a question mark. Do you know about the Patanjali, or also Baba Patanjali, Baba Ramdev also might have made up the medicine of COVID-19.
COVID-19.
COVID-19 medicine, not COVID-19 vaccine. Google it today. You get the idea, meaningful information, useful information. So in this chapter, the alloy, whatever I am understanding, whatever my, according to my knowledge, whatever I am here, whenever I was in class 10th or 12th, so whenever I am learning about the metals and elements, so I don't know about these, my dear, facts, amazing fact. The alloy, I thought what alloy are gifts by the foreign western scientists, my dear, discovery of western scientists. Alloy के बारे में हमने किसने बताया? Western scientists are gives information. But right now the credit goes to Mishra Loho. Was the name given to the mixture to or more had more property distinct from the constituent metals. Indian texts such as Charak Samhita, और पता है चरक संहिता कब की है? Do you know what is Charak Samhita? Not a, it is a 540 546 8 546 century, like gettings. आज से कितने हजार साल पहले? 1500 साल पहले, 1500 years before. What kind of long vision, my dear, understand? What kind of research, yaar, my dear? Yes or no? Amazed, yaar. Okay. M4K, M4K, move it. तो बेटा इन्होंने initially what kind of name they are mentioned? Mishra Loha. Is what? Mishra Loha. They are not using alloy. Alloy are using it by the western scientist. जब उन्होंने स्टडी किसको करा, दो से ज्यादा मेटल को जब मिक्स करा, तो वहां से जो देयर इज अ न्यू नेम आर अराइजिंग फ्रॉम आफ्टर एक्सपेरिमेंट, तो उन्होंने क्या नाम रखा? दिस इज कॉल्ड alloy. Mishra Loha are given by the Indian scientists. These name are given by the Indian scientist. बेटी आ गया समझ में? पक्का? Any issue? So these the main thing is what these reference are given in which books? Write the references, my dear. If let's suppose some friend, whenever you are in class 9 class, some friends are, my dear, new friends, my dear, interact you. So once they are trying to dominate our culture, dominate our scientists, Indian scientists are meaningless. Indian scientists, the contribute in the modern science, my dear, is good for nothing. So you are, that point of time you are responded, the contribute in mathematics, physics, okay, medical science, surgery, physics aspect, all sectors of my dear, all sector. Like write it. Charak Samhita, Charak Samhita, 11 p.m. we are meeting na, my dear friend. Sweta. See. Nice to meet you all, my dear friends. Okay.